Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be making hamburgers on the pellet grill. Now on a pellet grill there's no flip method, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So we got about a little over 3.5 pounds of hamburger meat. We're just going to put in this bowl right here and season it up, get it ready to make hamburgers. Season it however you want to season it. The way we do it, we take some barbecue rub. Of course, if you watch our other videos, you know we love to use this barbecue rub that we make. Let me know if you want me to do a video on how we make our barbecue rub. So use whatever kind of spices or seasonings or whatever you want to put in here. We've done different things: lift and onion soup mix, just salt and pepper. We like this. All right, boys, you want to mix that together for me? Y'all mix it together. All right, we're gonna get this mixed together, and come back and we'll get ready to make out the hamburger patties. Okay, we got it all mixed together now. So now what we're gonna do is make out the hamburger patties. We'll make them out as big as you want, small as you want. We're just gonna make them about that size right there. Maybe a little smaller than that. It's pretty big there, and we'll take a little off that one. Like I say, whatever suits you. Ball them up. You know how to make hamburger patties. I shouldn't have to show you this, but I'm going to. So we're gonna get all these made out and get the grill ready, and we'll be back in just a minute. All right, we're gonna get the grill ready. As you see, it's already starting to heat up. We're gonna cook it on about 350, and once it gets all hot and ready, we're gonna put the burgers on the grill. Okay, the grill is about 350 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and put these burgers on. So let's get them on there and get them cooking. We got 10 decent sized patties made out. We're gonna throw them on there. And we're gonna heat them up and let them cook to about 160. But right before they get to that temperature, we're gonna throw some cheese on some of them. So we're gonna get these put on the grill and let them start cooking. Alright, we're about halfway into the cook probably. It's only been about maybe 20-25 minutes. So let's take a look at them. Oh yeah, they're starting to look really good. So we'll let them cook a little while longer. Check on them in a little while. Alright, these burgers are almost up to temp, about ready, so we're going to go ahead and throw some cheese on them now. We're going to throw some pepper jack on some of them, and just some regular Kraft American on the others. Hey, some of them ain't gonna get any cheese. So we're gonna let this cheese melt down and take them up. We're ready to put them together. Okay, the cheese is melted, burgers are up to temp. We're gonna go ahead and take them off the grill now. Get the probe out of them. Take them aside and put them together. Now these are going to taste great. Like I say, it's no flip. We have not flipped these. I'm going to put one together and cut it open, see how it looks. Alright, we got one of the burgers put together now, so we're going to cut it open and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's gonna be really good. Burger even has a little smoke ring to it. So there you go. There you go. It looks pretty good to me. So give this a try next time you're cooking burgers, and if you have a pellet grill, try the no flip method. I promise you, you'll love them. All right, be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any other videos, and check us out next time. Thanks for watching.